Today I am going to deal about the modalities. What is the importance of modalities during the prescription of a remedy? Modalities, the two word is considered in this. Number one is aggravation and number two is amelioration. So modalities is the combination of two words, aggravation and amelioration. Aggravation means under which condition the complaint of the patient or the patient himself or the organ of the body disturbed condition feels uneasiness either mentally or physically, that is called aggravation. Amelioration means under which condition the complaint of the patient or the patient himself feels or himself or herself under the peace condition feels better either mentally or physically. The modalities have great importance during the selection of the proper remedy for the particular patient. If you have not get the modalities during the treatment of the any patient, means more chance of not cure to the patient. A disease without modalities means that is incurable disease. These modalities have divided into the two great. Number one is the general modalities and number two is the particular modalities. First of all comes about the general modalities. General modalities means when a modalities refers to the patient as a whole, that is called the general modalities. Such modalities is of a special importance, surviving as a pole star to us in the treatment of the patient deeply affected as in the chronic disorder, in which naturally a general modalities is of immense value as if relate to the inner man. In acute disease, however, whenever principally the symptoms relating to any particular complaint are to be prescribed upon the general modalities may often be overlooked with the impunity. But in chronic case, for remove already hinted at the recognition of the general modalities in the art of prescribing is of the great consequence. In every materia medica, you can gain both general modalities and the particular modalities. This is our duty to collect them of the remedy for the patient. After the collection of the symptoms from the patient, if you prescribe your remedy on the general modalities, then you can cure them. If you prescribe your remedy on the particular modalities, then you can palliate them. for sometimes, some days or some month. Then again that symptoms reappear to the patient. You cannot cure them. Here I am giving you few example for the general modalities and the particular. Here I am giving you two medicine only. First medicine is natrum pure. In natrum pure, there is general aggravation, great tendency to take cold, chilly patient. General amelioration, patient feels in the seaside better, feels better when the stomach is empty. Going with irregular meal feels better in the open air. The particular aggravation, constipation at the seaside, headache from the eye strain. Particular amelioration, backache, better by pressure, headache, amelioration by sweat. Next medicine is your pulsatilla. The pulsatilla is general aggravation from the warm, hot, warm bed lying on the left side. General amelioration in the open air, taking cold drinks and cold eats. Particular aggravation, diarrhea after fat food or ice cream, rheumatism by wet weather. Particular amelioration, pain by gentle motion and backache by the slow motion. So this is the general modalities and the particular modalities of the pulsatilla and the natrum pure. The particular modalities, this type of modalities which only give you aggravation and amelioration to the particular parts of the body, not to the whole patient. For sudden acute disease, you can take the help for that to relieve to the patient. Then help your modalities for the bed type prescription. Just for example, the gastric pain, emulsion by ice cold water like phosphorus, cheese aggravates colic, colocent, gastric complaint aggravation by order of the cooking food like colchicum, sepia, arsenic, asthma worse 2 to 4 am, calicar, hardness of hearing, amelioration by riding in the carriage of train, nitric acid and graphitis, toothache, amelioration by cold drink water, coffea, pulsatilla, bismuth, pyrogen, toothache, amelioration by drawing ear, mesarium, skin symptom worse in the winter, petroleum, skin symptom aggravation in the warm, mercurius, skin symptom amelioration in the warm bed, rheumax. So this is the particular modalities of the patient. So when you are going to select the medicine, you must think which modalities you are, which modalities you are going to prescribe for the patient. You study the case, must try to know about the modalities, both general and the particular. Every disease have modalities. No any disease without modalities. Only where there is no found modalities, where there is complete pathological changes occur. So in the pathological changes, all the symptoms disappear or the suppress. So we cannot get the particular or general modalities there. So this is the duty of the homeopathy physician to select every medicine. To after the case taking, first try to study which medicine coming in the general modalities. Then you first give that medicine which help as a general modalities. If you not get general modality, then you can prescribe on the particular modalities. But you must think the particular modality is only give relief for the particular times for a few days, not a complete cure. So you take the medicine as a whole patient, you take the modalities of the whole patient, then you get must cure to the patient. Thanks.